Tip number 9, how to calculate the pricing for the customer plus how to send the courier and how to charge it is explained through example and formula. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Papia Art Studio. So today's video is very important for the startups who are doing embroidery business and who want to send the bill or invoice to the clients. So here is a calculation of how to charge the customers for the embroidery work you did. This is specifically for startups. For hand embroidery who are doing a home-based business, GST is not applicable here. So let's understand how the hand embroidery price calculation is done. So formula is hand embroidery charges includes craftsmanship, that is the labor, plus raw materials, that is the threads and frame and needles, whatever is required. Packaging, that is if you are doing a courier outstation, then the packaging cost, then the courier cost as per the weight and the kilometers, plus taxes if applicable. So in this case, taxes, TDS and GST is not applicable. So let's understand with an example. So the heading is example particular amount. So for craftsmanship, for example, we have charged only 500 depending on the design. If the design is very small, so we will charge 500 for example. For embroidery, raw materials plus packaging. So since I said that if it is a outstation order, you have to kind of courier it. So the packaging, like when you are doing a speed post, so you have to package the embroidered material by yourself. So the packaging cost you have to charge the customer plus raw material, that is the thread, frame, etc. So embroidery plus packaging cost inclusive is only ₹100 and courier charge depending on the kilometers from where you are posting to where it will go. So we are charging, for example, 100 and the grand total becomes 700. So this is just an example for calculating a simple hand embroidered material from one city to another city, courier. How you will do the calculation, I have made you understand. Second, for premium or highly detailed work. So if you are making a very intricate and a bigger embroidery, how will you charge? So the formula is hourly rate. That means the rate you have fixed for yourself per hour into total hours you have invested in making the embroidery or completing the embroidery. So that should be productive hours. So for example, your hourly rate, if for example is 500 for a small embroidery and you have spent supposing 2 hours, so it would be like 500 into 2, around 1000. So that is what you can charge. But if you are spending more than that, so 500 into 8, like that. Okay. And stitch complexity, that includes how simple is the stitch, like Lizzy Wizzy or chain stitch, or complicated stitch like Kashmiri stitch, etc. So the stitch complexity is simple or medium or intricate, and design size small, medium or large, accordingly it would be charged. So this is the pricing. You have to fix a base price, and as per the market value, the general charge going on is 800 to 1000 for simple embroidery. For medium, it is 1000 to 1200, and for intricate or a big design, it is like 1200 to 1500 or more. But then it depends on the design and other factors. So this is how you would be charging. I hope I could make you understand the pricing. So keep going and best of luck. Next time I will try to show how invoice is created. I hope you like this informative video. So today's tip of the day is how to calculate the pricing. If you like this video, please do consider to like, share, subscribe to Papia Art Studio, comment and hype. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.